Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia Lifestyle, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you are my returning subscriber, karibu tena na tena. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So guys, as you can see, we are on the road again. We're on the road again, heading back to Mwea. So we'll be going back and forth, Mwea, Machakos, Mwea, Machakos, because we have limited time. We have only 2 months here, and almost 1 month is gone. So we want to accomplish most of the things that we had planned, and so far so good. So the whole family is here. So guys, say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Behind there, say hi.
Hi.
Libby is already having her afternoon nap. Yeah, so guys, we've just left our Machakos home. We are going back to Mwea. So we want to take you along, and in today's video we'll be showing you us traveling to Mwea, and we are also going to buy some flowers or plants for our home. We made some flower beds, and some of the trees that were in our Mwea home, we cut them down. We want to get other good plants and flowers to plant there. So today we'll be going to buy some flowers and plants as well. Send your driver. Yeah, so guys, please come along, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share. We are here on the Eastern Bypass, and there are some plants. They usually sell some plants here, some plants and nice flowers. So we want to stop here and see if they have the flowers that we have in mind. Yeah, we would like some white and red lilies. I hope they have. And the other plants, I don't know its name, but if they have, I'll show it to you guys. So we are here.
We have the pictures.
Yeah, we have the pictures of the flowers that we want.
And we bought from them before. I think we bought many plants from them before. So yeah, these are our regular suppliers. They supplied us for quite some time.
Yeah, so we are here. They sell flowers, plants, fruit trees, so everything they have here. So let's alight and see what they got. Okay. And Libby is awake. Libby, say hi, guys. She's drinking her milk. So yeah, watch her to shook and see.
So this is okay overhead.
We can stop here and check what they have.
Okay.
If they don't have, then we move forward.
You stay here. You stay here. So
guys, we are here, and look at this stall and the flowers and the plants that they have. Let me just take you through. Wow. But these are potted plants. For us, we don't want the potted plants. But I can see some lilies, but they are potted. I hope they don't have the ones that are potted, like that one over there, the white lilies. Yeah, so they sell very nice plants here. I've spotted a nice one here. I don't know whether it is a lily, but it looks like a lily, but a bigger version of it, this one here.
But this is potted.
Yeah, this is potted. I hope they don't have the ones that are potted.
Yeah. So I think they have some nice flowers. Is that the one we wanted? That?
Yes, let's go there.
Where's the owner?
So guys, we are looking for lilies, and I've seen one here. This one over here. But this is potted. So we want to go on the other side and check whether they have the ones that are not potted. Because the ones that are potted and the ones that are not potted, the prices vary. So let's go on the other side. Yes?
This one, eh?
Ina karibu inafanana lakini matawi ni tofauti. Matawi ni tofauti. Ama inataka mali inasapotiwa. Hii monstera.
Monstera. Wacha tutakuonyesha hapo ndani tunapanga.
Yenye ni kubwa.
Tunapanga sasa lakini si ndio kama hivi.
Hapa. Kama vile nimekuonyesha hiyo picha.
Kama unasema hivi. Sasa
hizo lilies tutapanda huku kando kando hivi. Hapo katikati tutaka tupande. Hiyo baada kwa mrefu kidogo. Sasa ndio maana nikakuonyesha hii picha. Unaona vile imepandwa hii. Can we consider this one? This one here.
Yeah, I think we can consider this one because the one we wanted, they don't have. So maybe I think we should go for this. It looks good, even the flower. Sorry guys, we are along the road, so it's a bit noisy. So I think we'll go for this. This one has got this red flower. This one has got this, I don't know, it's maroon. Unasema tuchukue hii. Ni ya outdoor, ni mali inataka mali pako na jua. Alafu inakuwa kubwa kiasi gani?
hii si kubwa sana. Lakini inaerevuka kuliko hicho kiasi.
Lakini mko na ile yenye iko kwa boti. Hii nataka mali pana jua.
Nataka mali
pa kuna shade.
But ile ya William hiyo iko sawa. Tujue sema nataka kitu kana maua.
Tunataka yenye iko na maua na yenye itakaa nje mali panajua kuanzia asubuhi hadi jioni.
Hii nzuri hapo iko sawa. Lakini nilikuwa nataka hapa hivi.
Guys. Tupigie hesabu. right. So now we can head.
Yeah, we can head home. So
Everything has come off.
Ooh la la. Yeah, so guys, we've bought plants and flowers that we wanted, even though we didn't get one that we wanted, so they gave us an alternative. So now we are heading home to Kirinyaga County from Machakos County. Yeah, so guys, come along. My sister-in-law has so many plants and flowers, but most of the ones that she has are supposed to be kept under the shade or partial shade. But for us, we wanted plants that will be under the sun for like more than 8 hours or 8 hours. More than 8 hours, Jerry.
8 hours and more.
Yeah, so that's why we came and bought from here. But if we wanted the ones that need partial shade, we could have taken from her or gotten from her place. Yeah, but right now we are heading home, guys. Come along. Guys, we've stopped here at this where they sell fruit trees, so we want to buy some grapevines, and the guy is here with the grapevines. We want to go plant the grapevines at our home. Guys, we've got 2 grapevines, black grapes and green grapes, seedless. So guys, we want to go plant them at our home. We are going to plant them somewhere where we'll show you. I can't wait for that time when they'll start producing fruits. You just go there with a scissor and cut one. It's called what?
Cluster. Is it cluster? I think the cluster.
Whatever it is, you cut like this and then you eat right from our orchard. I can't wait for that time. So we are going to plant them there.
It will be front yard.
Yeah, it will be front yard.
yard.
Yeah. It will be very nice. They will look so good there. So guys, we are almost home. We are a few minutes, like 1 minute from home. So I want to sign out. A lot has happened while we were away. Please stay tuned for that in our next vlog. So for now, bye.
Bye.
Bye.